India is ej, kan vi lige tage den over, vi glemte at skifte Dias.
Dias. Keep going, keep going.
India is a country in South Asia. It is the 7th largest country by area. The second most populous country with over 1.2 billion people and the most populous democracy in the world. India is a federal constitutional republic under a parliamentary system consisting of 29 states and 7 union territories. Full name, Republic of India, population 1.2 billion, capital New Delhi, GDP 1027 trillion. Sagde jeg godt det?
Det er lige meget, det står.
Ja. In 1908, India was part of the British Empire, but by the end of 1947, India had achieved independence. For most of the 19th century, India was ruled by the British. India was considered the jewel in the crown of the British Empire. Queen Victoria had been made Empress of India and the British had a mere military presence in India. Indian nationals had no say in central government, and even at the local level, their influence and policy and decision making was minimal.
The independence and Mahatma Gandhi became one of the pivotal figures, if not the main figure in India's history in the 20th century, along with Jinnah and Nehru. Gandhi shaped India's history up to its independence in 1947.
Gandhi was born in Porbandar in western India. In 1888, he went to London to study law. He returned to Bombay to work as a barrister, but went to South Africa to work in 1907. In South Africa, he took part in passive protests against the Transvaal government's treatment of Indian settlers who were in the minority in the region. In 1915, he returned to India, and after joining the Congress movement, he emerged as one of the party's leaders.
He realized that the religious issues of India were too deep for any remedy to work. Hence, he collaborated with Mountbatten and Wavell in the build up to independence in 1947. This association with the breakup of India was to cost him his life. India attained independence following an independence movement noted for largely non-violent resistance and civil disobedience led by the Indian National Congress.
Independence coincided with the partition of India, in which the British Indian Empire was divided along religious lines into the dominions of India and Pakistan. The partition was accompanied by violent riots and mass casualties and the displacement of nearly 15 million people due to sectarian violence.
Conflicts between Pakistan and India. In 1965 takes the conflict between India and Pakistan place. It was the second conflict between the two countries over the status of the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
The clash did not resolve the conflict, but it did the United States and the Soviet Union to react, because they have important implications for subsequent superpower involvement in the region. The dispute over the region originated in the process of decolonization in South Asia.
When the British colony of India gained its independence in 1947, it was partitioned into two separate entities: the secular nation of India and the predominational Muslim nation of Pakistan. Pakistan was composed of two non-contiguous regions, East Pakistan and West Pakistan, separated by India territory.
Caste and religion. A caste system is a process of placing people in occupational groups. India's caste system has four main classes, based originally on personality, profession, and birth. Brahmin consists of those engaged in scriptural education and teaching, essential for the confusion of knowledge. Kshatriya take on all forms of public service, including administration, maintenance of law and order, and defense. Vaishya engage in commercial activity as businessmen. Shudra work as semi-skilled and unskilled laborers. The Indian castes still rarely intermarry and are definitely not changeable. It is against the law to be discriminating against anyone because of their caste for things like club memberships and so on. And the religion in India is 79.8% Hinduism, 14.2% Islam, and 2.3% Christianity, and 1.72% Sikhism. Bollywood is a Bollywood is a subgroup for the Hindi language film industry based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The term is often incorrectly used as a synecdoche to refer to the whole of Indian cinema. However, it's only a part of the large Indian film industry, which includes other production centers producing films in languages. Bollywood is classified as the biggest movie industry in the world in terms of amount of people employed and number of films produced. India produces 1,500 to 2,000 annually, and its people are famously fanatical about those movies and their movie stars. India makes and distributes films in more than 20 different languages. India is severely underscreened, with just one screen per 96,300 residents. It is the world's most underscreened major territory. The average ticket price is 150 to 250 rupees, which in US dollars is $2.225 to $3.80.
Yeah.
Thanks for listening.
Thank you. Bye.
Kan vi ikke stoppe den? Hvor er den?
Er den stoppet?
Og nu er den.